with me, I have a Glock toolkit by Labobole. That is Labobole. Now, the first tool that I have here is not heavy metal that is sturdy, like I can try to bend it as much as I want. It is not going to bend, not going to give way at all. It has a nice tip right here and a curve, as well as a hole at the end here so you can hang it up or loop a string through to hold on to and hang up. It also comes with two tools here, two mini tools with some plastic handles and then metal on top. Again, you can bend it as much as you want. It is not going anywhere. Same goes with this tool as well, which has a square handle with divots on the inside for easy grippage as well. This was given to us as a sample. Okay, bye.